So I had to cut a few songs, ones that I have to sing. So we're gonna play a song that, this was a TikTok song, believe it or not. There's like 30 seconds of it. And everybody put it on their stream, you know, they were like washing dishes to it, like, you know, petting their dog, you know, doing stupid human tricks. And this song was in the background, and I was like, man, I gotta find out who plays that. And then I did, and it was like, And then he put out a real studio version, and I was like, I kind of like the 30-second TikTok thing. So then we decided we're gonna rewrite it for him. You guys will not know this song. You'll kind of think it's an original song, but it's called Ride the Lightning. It's by a guy named Warren Zevers, who I don't know. Here it goes.